What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel once more. I still remain your friend, your tutor from Missouri. In this channel, if this is your first time, we teach people how to make money from the internet, whether you are skilled or unskilled, whether you graduate or you just want to have some form of side business from the internet. Come here, you're highly welcome. In this channel, we have other videos here that talks about how to make money. Like if you see here, you can see this video that talks about how to earn money using Twitter 2022. This one talks about how you can make 2,000 Naira daily using a secret website and so many others. Are you in Pinterest? You can still see this one that talks about Pinterest affiliate marketing strategy for beginners. So much more. But today we're going to talk about how you can make money just listening to the music, downloading it and uploading it. You start making money. Yes, you can start making as low as $700 every month as a side business. It looks amazing. It looks shocking, but it's real. It is real. If you are still there, please do it to subscribe to this channel because I'm going to give you quality content that is worth your time. Subscribe and make comment on this channel so that in case you want to improve of anything, do well to do that as soon as you can. Are you still there? Let's start going. Alright, so I'm going to show you a website in which you can get music free of charge. It's a music that you're going to listen to, you download it free of charge. It's no copyright attached. You're going to do that for free of charge. I want this, and the name of the website is called Pizebe. This website called pizebe.com is a website that you don't want to play with. You see, they said stunning free images and royalty free stock, and they say they have about 2.6 million high stock images, videos, music that is shared by others like you. So what you can search for images, you can search for vectors, videos and music. And mind you, they are free of charge. So if I were you, I want to come here and look for music. If you click on this button here, click music. When you click on it, it's going to take you to the spot where you can see all the music attached. Let's get it loaded. Alright, you see it right now, so you can see your music. Now we want to see the kind of music that will make people want to listen to the music and download. The strategy we want to use in this video, we want to listen to the music, download the music, then upload it to a website. Then the website will give us free traffic. The website will bring people who want to download the music free of charge for us. So it is free traffic. And when they download it, they are going to get charged. So the website will pay you some amount of money. And with that, you start making money from internet. It's as simple as that. And you can do this with your laptop, with your phone, your smartphone, and the like. So are you still there? Let's go. And like I said before, I'm going to go for the gen. So click on filter. You see the gen here. Look at the gen. So we want to look for pop. I want us to take pop. We have already searched for it before. So to save time, let's go there. Look at it here. Pop. Click on it. When you click on it, click this button here, you see all the music you have here. Look at them here. Look at them here. So you want to listen to the music. Let's play this one. You see? So try to listen to as much as you can. Listen to many of them. You can listen to about 50 to 100 of them. There are so much of them here. Look at them here. So when you listen to them, you think about the one you know people will like. People will really have interest on. When you do that, after listening to them, the next thing you want to do is to what? Is to download. So click on the download button. Look at the download button here. You can click on it. Look at it. Another thing I want to tell you about the favorite. Look at these people. This guy with upbeat lifting corporate has about 27 likes. So we want to see others. Whether you see more, because the more likes that song has, the more people are interested in it. So you want to go with them too. You don't want to. Look at this one now. This one says 167,000 likes. So what do you do if I were you? I would just click the download button because this shows people are already liking it. So it's downloading right now. Now we have it. The next thing you want to do, you can go back again. Okay, let's stay here first. We're going to do something later. So now we want to go to the website where we can sell this music. We upload this music. Right now we will listen to the music. We've downloaded the music. We want to upload now. We listen, we download and upload. The next thing is to make money. So let's upload. We go to the website called uploadforever.com. This website is tell you that you can share your 5 to this internet and start making money. And you have payment proof here. We have awards. You want to get more belief. You want to believe what I'm talking about. If you want to see if I'm telling the truth, click on this payment proof. If you click on it, it's going to show you here. Look at it, payment proof. You can see how much people are already making from this website. Look at this. You can really see how much. Look at it. This August 15th, and this person has made about $9. Yes, this 15 because today I'm making the video on this. Look at my calendar here. You can see my calendar 16th of August. So it was just yesterday. These guys have made so much money from this internet, from this website, by just uploading their music or their videos or their pictures, and people are just buying them and they start making money. It's as simple as that. Like I told you before, I say you can make $700 every month or every day if you are serious. This person has just made $9 right now. Imagine this person has about 100 of songs in this website. You can just multiply 9 times 100 to give you about $900. Now, if you want to see more proof, you can see. Let me reload this page and see if we can get something else again. It's reloading. Let's wait for it. Yes. Now. All right. So it's loaded. So you can see again. So let's go up. Look on this one. This one just earned about $6. This one earned about $10. Imagine $10. So this one earned about $7. So if you punch our calculator right now, if you check our calculator, you're going to see 7 times 100 is going to give you $700. So if you have about 100 of songs here or music here and people are downloading them, imagine you have one song $7 times 100 of them. It's going to give $700. It's as simple as that. Very simple. And people are making money from the internet using PayPal and other forms of other means to cash out. Why can't you cash out if others are doing it? This is what they are doing here. This is what they are doing. I've made research. I saw it's really working very well. So that's why I'm here to get you exposed to this platform so that you can start making money from the internet like others do. So let's start going. If you are new to this website, click on the sign up button and fix in your username, fix your password, and you type your password and put your email. Please put your real email, don't put fake email, because this is business. Nobody's going to scam you here. It's a real website. You can go and make research about this website if they are fake or real. So just put your email, click I'm not a robot, and sign up. When you are done, you'll be moved to this spot, because right now I already have an account with them. Look at my username. I already have an account there. So what I will do, I want to sign in. I'll click on I'm not a robot. Then I'll click on sign in. Now I'm in. The next thing I want to do, when you're here, you don't have to waste any time. You just come here, click on upload files. Click on upload files. Now you can scroll up. Please take note that they prohibit uploading of pornographic files for adults. In case of violation, the owner's exposure to ban without receipt of funds. So you'll get banned if you upload pornographic stuff. It's not allowed here. So what you do, when you click on the upload file, you come here and click on choose file. You can put the file URL or you can just copy the files. But right now we're going to use file upload. Choose file. See the song here. Look at it. I downloaded here. Look at it here. Just click on it. I click on it. Then next thing I want to do is click open. So look at it uploading. Let's go down. You can see your place. So you can put the description here. Put the description. So let's go to the song again. The song was downloaded that time from PZB. The title of the song is Music by. Let's just copy this. Let's copy from here. I want to credit this guy. Copy. Then go to our upload. So you put the description here. Music by this guy. You understand? Set it to public. Then click on start upload. Let's just check if we're online or if we're intact. So click on start upload. So you see it uploading very fast. If your network is fine, you'll do this as soon as possible. But if your network is slow, you have to be a little bit patient. So it's uploading. Let's wait a little bit. Alright. So file uploaded. Please, anytime you are trying to register with this website, please fix your Gmail address. Don't use another form of email service. Please use your Gmail account to avoid your stop being spammed off, please use Gmail address. If you don't have a Gmail account, you can just go to the internet, search for Gmail. You're going to see it here, Gmail, create a Gmail account, look at the inbox I like. So create one, and fix your phone number, already have one. So when you come here, you can just fix in your Gmail and you start moving. So the next thing is that after uploading your file, you want to put your price tag on it. You want to put your price. So you just come and click here under your username. You're going to see files there. Click the files. It's loading. Now I want to see our files right now. We already have 2 here. So this is the one that we uploaded just now. Look at it here. Look at the time here, 16th. So just click on, look at this one. This one already have price. So if you upload your own without coming to this place, there's no price attached. So people just download for nothing sake. So but if you pay your price, you can just come and click actions under here. Click the person sign there that denotes edit. So you can click on it. Then it will show you where you can fix in the price. Still loading. Alright, so look at the price here. Look at the price here. You can just change that spot to 7 or 10, depends on what you want. So me, I'll just put 7. Let's wait it still a little bit. When I fix 7, I click submit. That's it. We are in. Look at it right now. So you can see our price right now. So anytime anybody downloads this song, so you want to do it to have more than this, can put 50 to 100. However things I'm doing too, however channels I'm building, however service I'm rendering in the internet too. So I know this is working right now. So I don't want to wait to start making money from here before I tell you that it's making money. Once I see it working, once I see people making money from it, I'll just jump to this channel and get you informed about it. So do it to subscribe to this channel if you have not done that. Subscribe to this channel and get tips like this so that you become the first person to get on any trick on how to make money online. You'll be the first person to apply and you'll be the first person to make money from internet too, whether you're skilled or unskilled. Please do it to share the video to others too, because in case you don't really need it, somebody behind you may likely need this stuff, and get them informed. Don't forget, like I said before, go to this website, get the songs for free. List to the songs, about 50 songs to 100 songs. List to the songs. Then check the favorite. Don't forget, check the favorites. Check the likes. How many likes is that song having? Try to get as much as you can. Maybe 100, 200, 500. That shows that people are interested in that kind of music or song. Download it. Then come to upforever.com. Then maybe after registration, you can just sign in. Then try to upload your songs and put your price tag, and that's it. This website will drive traffic to your link by themselves. You don't have to do anything. Just come and upload and get yourself rested. But in case you want to share the link to, you can say come here too. Put it to your social media, your Facebook, your Twitter, your TikTok, anywhere you want to put it. Others may just be interested and get to download it for free of charge. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Don't forget, do it to hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. Leave a like for me. Let me know how much impact I've made on you. See you next time.